President Cyril Ramaphosa condemns the arrest of the Venezuelan president Nicolas Maduro, and rightfully so, because Venezuela actually helped the ANC during apartheid. So obviously they are concerned. And even recently, President Cyril Ramaphosa called Nicolas Maduro, showing his support, because arresting that guy, obviously we know the USA arrested him because they want the oil in Venezuela, right? So now you should know the history that these countries, I'm including Cuba as well, Cuba and Venezuela are very significant and very important allies to the ANC and South Africa. Venezuela already told you that they helped us during apartheid. But Cuba is a whole different beast. If you don't know Fidel Castro and Ernesto Che Guevara, these guys knew guerrilla warfare. So guerrilla warfare is basically when they attack you, maybe an enemy attacks you, you don't confront the enemy. You hide in the bushes and pick out the enemy piece by piece, making sure that the war lasts for as long as possible. You are never defeated. The war is just going to prolong. So what happened was Ernesto Che Guevara, who was the right-hand lieutenant of Fidel Castro, the Cuban president, the president of Cuba, went to South Africa, or rather Africa, and taught Africans guerrilla warfare. Che Guevara even complained that Africa was hot, and even the tribalism was actually stopping him from actually executing his job to the fullest. But that didn't really matter, because by the time he left and went back to Cuba, Africans knew guerrilla warfare, and that's the reason Mozambique couldn't get defeated, because they used guerrilla tactics. They just hid in the bushes and picked off the Portuguese piece by piece, and eventually defeated the Portuguese, and took them out of the country in Mozambique. That's why Mozambique is one of those countries that has full independence and owns their land and resources and everything. So that's why even Cyril Ramaphosa is so concerned about, Maduro, because these guys are allies, man. They've helped us so much. And now since Venezuela has been taken over, who's going to be our next ally? Because we need to free Venezuela so that they can help us in the future, and we can also help them, right? So Cuba is still good, but yeah, everyone is getting nervous now. If they toppled Maduro, what's going to happen in Cuba? Because Cuba is kind of in danger right now, and I bet you Trump feels very confident that they can invade another country. So President Cyril Ramaphosa is in his right to actually be concerned about what happened to Nicolas Maduro.